Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on comment on YouTube video. What you need to do, just go to your studio and then click on video. After that, you choose the video that you want to turn on or off the comment. For example, if I choose this video, I click here. You see here, details, I click here. And then I click more options. And then just scroll down. Here, comments and ratings. I click here. Here, allow all comments. If I want to turn on. If I want to turn it off, then I choose disable comments. And even I can filter the comment. For example, if I choose hold all comments for review, or if I choose allow all comments, that means I will receive all the comments. This is what you need to do if you want to turn on or turn off the comments. I hope this video is useful. If you have any question, any suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.